Hey, what's up everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Marsdan, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing and setting up the Quntis LED monitor light which I bought from Amazon. And the first question you might actually have for me is, why do I even need more light on my desk in the first place, since you can already see one here? And the only gripe that I have with these sorts of traditional lamps is the fact that, well, at least for me, in order for me to get enough light coverage across my desk to read my books and papers whilst I'm studying, I need to have it in this sort of position, and when I have it in this sort of position, the light bulb is exposed and the lights just hit my eyes directly, and over even a short period of time, for me at least, it can be quite discomforting. So I did a bit of research and I came across some YouTube videos with similar products, and I thought, let me buy the product for myself and unbox it and share it with you guys. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so I've got the LED monitor light here. So it's a Quntis LED monitor light for PC. So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of it. So there we go. Alright, so first you receive the manual. So this is the USB-A side and the USB-C side to connect the lamp, which you can connect directly to your laptop or PC or any other USB source. We've got a little Allen key, and I believe this is part of the sort of mounting on top of the monitor. So yeah. So this is the bit that you actually stick onto the monitor as well, along with this piece, I believe, which work together to put the LED light on top of the monitor. And this is the LED monitor light itself. I have to say, it feels again quite of nice quality, quite similar feeling to this microphone that I've unboxed in my previous video. Actually, similar material or the same material, and instead of buttons, you can see on top here you've got touch sensors. So here are all the options. Obviously the on and off button. You can actually have it in an ambient mode, so the light will adjust according to the light of the room. You also have manual mode where you can adjust the light, and you can also adjust the temperature of the light, so if you want it warm or daylight as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to set everything up quickly. Once I get everything set up, I'll let you know how it looks and how easy it was. So yeah, let's get right into it. So guys, I just thought I'd quickly show you whilst I had it all open. So you get this monitor, I guess you could say clamp, and this block here is removable, and what it does is that you get another block as well here. So you choose between the two, because you get, I don't know if you can see this in the camera, but there's basically some slots in between each of the blocks, which you can set the distance or the thickness in between depending on the size of your monitor. So in this case, the other block is better suited for my monitor for its size. So all you have to do is literally just slot it in like so, and you can even adjust it further by pulling on it. So just say if your monitor is a little bit thicker than whatever size this is, you can just simply extend it like that, and it's quite resistant, so it'll just kind of shut like that. So it'll hold it quite nice and tight and snug. So now I'll set everything up. Obviously the ScreenBar goes here, and this is where the cable comes out through the back. So now I'll set everything up and I'll show you basically the final result. Okay guys, so now you can see all the main lights are switched off, and now I'm about to turn on the monitor light, and that's with the monitor light on at full brightness using the daylight temperature. If I did want to press the adjustable lighting, you'll see this little blue LED switch on. Just turned it back off now, and now I'm going to show you from daylight to warm light. So that's daylight, now it's going to warm light, and that's the warm light. So I'm just going to switch it back to daylight, and now I'm going to switch it. I'm going to switch the brightness from what it is, which is the full brightness, to dim. And that's as dim as it will go, so very subtle. And I'm just going to switch it all back to full brightness. So as you can see, this is what it will look like if I was sitting at the desk, and I think this is a quite nice dark moody vibe if I wanted to just maybe use the computer in sort of more of a dark setting. I think it looks pretty cool actually, from what I can see anyway. I wouldn't necessarily study just using just that light. I would also use the main light, but just for example purposes. So I've got a book, and that's what it would look like if I was to just use simply just that light. But like I mentioned, for reading I would also use the main light, and as you can see, it covers a good amount of light because this area in itself is quite dark. It just helps when I read. So everyone, that was a Quntis LED monitor light, and I bought it from Amazon for about £36. I'll leave all the links in the description below. Maybe you didn't even know this sort of product existed, or maybe you saw the product but was just a bit skeptical, or just wanted to know how it works. Overall, for the price, I seem very happy with it. I mean, it's adjustable. You can change the temperature, you can change the brightness, and it only connects via USB, which is amazing. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using it on a day-to-day basis. If you have any questions, please leave it in the description below. If you like the video, then like the video. Please subscribe if you already haven't done so, and hit the notification bell so you know when my next video drops, and I'll see you guys in the next one.